Massachusetts will move into phase 3 of reopening on Monday. Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for joining us here for Western Mass News at 5 on ABC 40. I'm Jordyn Jagolinzer. Governor Charlie Baker making the announcement earlier today at his coronavirus briefing. Western Mass News reporter Audrey Russo joins us live in Springfield with the details. Audrey?
After the holiday weekend, people will be able to go out to movie theaters, gyms, and museums, all with strict social distancing and capacity limits in place. However, phase 3 is called vigilant for a reason, and that's because Governor Baker says COVID-19 won't take a summer off. Come Monday, Governor Charlie Baker says phase 3 of the Massachusetts reopening plan will go into effect.
Phase 3 contains some bigger players that will certainly draw more people into indoor settings with respect to various activities like movie theaters and museums.
Here's the list of businesses and venues allowed to reopen in Phase 3, Step 1. There's a focus on moderate-sized events and activities in the continued fight against COVID-19. Governor Baker today announcing restrictions on indoor gatherings and that no more than 25 people should be in an enclosed space at any one time. Lieutenant Governor Karen Polito fielding a question about casinos. She says they will be eligible to begin reopening on Monday, but says it could take a bit longer for doors to actually open to the public.
I think that they will begin to activate their workforce, train them to those protocols, and then invite the public in about a week's period of time after that.
State health officials also have been monitoring hospital capacity and whether or not healthcare facilities can handle a rise in cases. Western Mass News was attending a virtual Springfield City Council meeting as the Commissioner of Health and Human Services gave an update on the capacity abilities of local hospitals.
The hospitals tell us that they are ready to receive individuals if they need to. They've got plenty of capacity in the western region.
Baker says phase 3 will last until a vaccine or treatment is available, so bars and nightclubs will remain closed until whenever that happens.
The folks in the bar and the nightclub space have a particular set of problems that we believe at this point in time are really hard to square the circle on.
Well, one of the big questions at the governor's press conference today is whether or not Massachusetts could see another spike in cases like the ones seen in Texas and Georgia. Coming up on Western Mass News at 6, we'll hear from a reporter who works at our Atlanta sister station about how the virus is spreading there. Live in Springfield, Audrey Russo for Western Mass News.